Hi, my name is Philip Adams. I'm the founder and CEO of PHABRIX, and we're here at NAB 2022. It's really exciting, good to be back. It's been 3 years. We've really missed it. I'm really enthusiastic about exhibitions. I'm involved in the design of products. When we get the feedback from customers, that's enough adrenaline to get me through the next year. And this show's certainly doing that. I'm introducing here the SX range. Now this is the product range that the company was founded on. That was something like 14 years ago that we introduced the SX range, but we've been evolving it ever since. And we have new software releases at the show also. So if you bought that product 14 years ago, you're still able to upgrade it with the latest software and take advantage of those latest features. And we've shipped a lot of these units. We're celebrating today 8,000th unit shipped. And this one's been made in wood, in bamboo. Bamboo's a sustainable product. We feel that this, for test and measurement, this is a sustainable product. It's been running 14 years. How many products can do that? It's still current. People absolutely love it. They're rock solid and they can be kept going very easily for that 14-year period. Very solid construction. So that's our 8,000th unit. Now there are 4 products in the range. We started with the SXA. This is a signal generator, analyzer and monitor. It works with SDI up to 3G and it works with AES. Moving on from that, if you're interested in physical layer analysis for SDI, you move to the SXE. So very similar features. You're adding the physical layer. This is the physical eye pattern and physical jitter measurements. Now a later introduction to the model range was the tag. With the tag, we added this SFP. The SFP brings a lot of new features. We're demonstrating a couple of those here. So this one's using a HDMI output. We've connected to this monitor. So the signal, the AV delay signal that you're seeing is generated by the tag. It's being converted to HDMI. And on screen here, I'm showing you the EDID information from that display. So that's kind of one example. I have another tag here. Now this one's fitted with an SFP. It's an SFP from Embryonics. This brings 2110 and 2022-6 IP to this platform. So it was already a signal generator, analyzer and monitor. Add that to the 2110 and 2022-6 capability, and you have a signal generator or analyzer working in IP. It can also be used as a gateway. So a gateway into IP and a gateway from IP into SDI. So very sophisticated. It actually has, it's like a Swiss Army knife, this one. This has a large range of signals. So if you're into audio, it'll support full broadcast level balanced analog audio, in and out. It's got AES channels in and out. It has SDI in and out, as well as composite in and out. It has a reference generator, so a reference output and reference input. And then with the SFP, a whole range of modules that you can fit, say optical SDI, etc. So a real Swiss Army knife. So that's the SX product range from PHABRIX. If you're interested in more information or you wish to purchase one of these units, speak to Markertek or look at our website. It's www.phabrix.com.